This is how to use your lower RAB exercises workout time calculator. Our gift to you. You use it to determine how long it will take to do a day's exercises. Or use it to figure how many reps of each exercise in your routine you can fit into a certain amount of time. When you plan out your lower RAB exercise regimen, you can get the most out of your workout plan. It's much more engaging to body and mind to have some variation each day. By this I mean more than adding reps. This is more about alternating exercises by order and by rep count. Phasing exercises in and out. To keep track of this on a daily and monthly basis, you must organize your schedule and stick to it. You also want to know how much time it will take to do all those reps when they each use different amounts of time. Also, you can calculate how many reps you can do in a certain amount of time. Here is how to use the workout time calculator. Make a lower RAB exercises progress chart for each month. You can use the 4-minute workout from the Tighten Up Train program to ramp up from no exercises. Or you can modify the number of reps on each day of each exercise to match another program. This chart is also useful for recording how many reps you are doing to track your progress. Using the workout time calculator. Know in advance how much time you will spend accomplishing all the reps. The numbers in the white background are your time calculation results in minutes. You change the number of reps and your calculated results show up in the time column. Plan your workout to fit the time you want to dedicate to your daily exercise routine. Enter your desired time, in minutes, into the blue box under the time column. Simply replace the 0 to enter in your time amount. Leave as 0 when not being used to calculate your workout time. The blue column shows the time left to fill for each day. The variant reps aren't counted unless their rep times are changed. Changing the rep times for individual exercises. At the bottom of the spreadsheet are two tabs. One for the lower of exercises progress chart, another one where you can set a custom exercise rep time. Simply type in the duration per rep of any exercise you want to change. However, if you make the time so short that you rush through the exercise, you don't get the full burn and benefits. You can add up to 2 extra or replacement exercises in these yellow columns. Is copy the title to the variant equals cell and enter the rep time in the next cell. When you change them and go back to the progress chart, you'll see the rep times for the variants added to your total daily reps and daily exercise time. The reps are designed for a good phase in. Finally, with this calculator, you can set a desired workout duration. Then change the rep counts of all the exercises until they fill in your time. This was just one of the benefits of joining us on the Tighten Up train.